Hi, my name is Cristian Tomas. I am the electrical intern at Bedford Industries, and I assist and shadow the electricians as they get projects or calls. Starting my internship, I hope to gain more skills and knowledge of being an electrician at a real-world job. My biggest influence was the mentors that I've had here. They really helped me to push myself and helped me whenever I had a question, and always were there to help me out. Finishing off my first year of college, I went to the career force and I applied for any internship programs, and they recommended Bedford, and I got an interview, and here I am. Once I'm done with my internship here at Bedford, I am going to go back to Minnesota West and finish my second year in the electrical program, and after that I will hopefully find a real-world job being an electrician. Finishing up this internship, I have had so many experiences with the other electricians, and I've gained so much skills and knowledge that going into the future I will have so much more confidence into the new job that I get.